Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Toyota Sienna 2010, 13, 14, 15. You see the tire pressure monitor sensor is on, blinking. They say they change it, but still they have this problem. So let us try to go together and diagnose this car before, if everything is changed, why this light is still there. So I'm gonna go here and then I will go to diagnose. As usual, I will go by VIN number. This car the machine itself need to be updated. Okay, so now this is Toyota. You know, Toyota have three brands: Toyota, Scion, and what's the other one? Lexus, also Toyota. Okay, let me see. So this is a VIN number. I will say okay. It will ask you a couple of questions. Radar cruise, say others, and then with this marquee, without this marquee, this is a regular. And then we're gonna go say yes. From here, you know, the tire pressure monitor is very important for cars because we need to be sure our safety, and the tire have to be good and with the right amount of air inside. Too much is not good, especially when in a hot weather condition. Air can expand inside the tire and it blow out the tire for you while you're driving. Less also create friction, heat, and also the same thing. So always put the right amount. So let me go to diagnose, auto scan. I'm gonna scan it. Engine have two faults, even though there is no check engine light on. Why we have two faults with no check engine light on? I see the check engine light is there. Okay, let me see if I start it, it's gonna go away. Check engine light is go away, but I don't know if it's gonna come back again or not. I'm surprised that the check engine light. Okay, we have left rear door. You see those are sliding doors. We keep going. Okay, now we're gonna go to report. Okay, engine system, it was in the transmission, so the engine is good, main body. So let's go look for the line. Here is the line for the details. We say pressure control solenoid electrical. Transmission have a problem, and the problem was not an engine, so that code. Okay, lost communication with brake control module, lost communication with the power steering, lost communication. Those are history. Tire pressure, data from ID1 not received, data from ID2 not received, data from ID3 not received, and this is current. There is no data. So I don't know if those people change this radio or this is the original radio. I'm not sure, because I know that. Okay, let me see. Okay, cancel, exit, take ignition on, ignition off, erase. We're gonna erase all the codes. Tire pressure, we have one fault. So let's go back to the tire to see what's going on. Okay. Let me see tire pressure. I know this ECU monitor the tire pressure. Trouble code. Hi, how are you? 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. I have a video recording something here. I'm video recording something here. Okay, transmitter ID not received the main. Go back, live data. Main tire 4. Okay, initialization. Okay, tire ID 1, tire ID 2. Okay, I see all the ID, but temperature is minus. Okay. ID initial shroud of low pressure 14. Register ID, registered ID, registered ID, registered ID. There is something here, I don't know why. Let's check the tire pressure first, and then we see what happened. Check signal. All signal. Okay, car engine is running. perform the check signal. So all the signal data from the transmitter ID 1 not received, data from transmitter ID 2 not received, data 3, 4, all the ID are not received. Okay, that's why. I'm gonna clear all the code. Okay. We cannot erase this one, so C2126, that means could be the module itself is not receiving any information. Do I have this transmitter ID in it?
What you make a stepchild,
In this car, it looked like the tire pressure monitor control module need to be checked. Yes. Okay, please let us know what you think about this one here, but I believe C21226 transmitter ID not received to the main computer. We don't know why it doesn't want to receive it, but we're going to look for that further. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.